Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the DBEFTLI Foldable Reading Glasses. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So as we get these out of their package, they each come with their own kind of little carry case, soft carry case. I got the +1 magnification. They should, yep, there it is. You just press down there and it'll spring open. And they are foldable, and that's kind of what I wanted. They're kind of tiny. They are really meant to be kind of little readers that extend easily in a situational type of thing. They're not full glass size, so be aware of that. And we'll go ahead and show you what they look like on. But they are kind of springy here, which is nice. And magnification capabilities are probably decent. Yep. So we'll go ahead and show you what they look like on. Please note that you do have to peel off the sticker, so be careful. All right, so they are going to be kind of the thing where you can look down. As you can kind of see, they rest a little bit low. They're not going to be up like big glasses or anything, so they're meant to be readers. As you can see, I can wear them with a hat, and you know, if you can tell, they kind of allow you to look over and do that thing. So when you're getting old and you're wearing these, they do all those things. So very comfortable. I'll show you putting them back in, but very comfortable, light on the nose, and very soft behind the ear. So that's really nice. And so when you're done, you'll just kind of push these back in, which is nice. They fold very simply and conveniently go right back in. I'm probably going to just keep a little like cleaning cloth in there. It does not seem to have, yeah, it does have one. So I will go ahead and keep that in one of these. I don't know if there's one or two of these here. Looks like just the one cleaning cloth comes with it, but I'll go ahead and I get a ton of these cleaning cloths and glasses and stuff like that, so I'll just go ahead and stuff that in there, kind of like that. That way I can definitely have one, and there we go. So hopefully this review helps. Love the portability, hard case, love this. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.